Hi, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Every month, I make about 14 spreads for my patrons. These are custom planner spreads. Team Bumble, which is the top tier, can tell me anything they want me to make. And then Team Wallace, I just make something that I think they would like based on their survey responses. So let's take a look at all the spreads I made in January. These are going to be in no particular order. They're all mixed up, as you can see. But yeah, let's just take a look. Okay, at least I separated them into classic size happy planner and big size happy planner. I think that makes sense at least. So let's get started here. We'll do big first. This first spread is for my patron Ashley. I used the large Sunny Risograph sticker book from Happy Planner. I love this because it's so bright and cheerful, and I really hope that Ashley likes it. I think it's a real mood lifter, and I wanted to give her a really fun spread for the beginning of February. So I chose the week of the 5th. I mean, this is really fun, I think. I call it Happy and Beautiful, and I made these boxes with just a pen. It didn't even go through the other side, look. Yeah, so that's always a fun way to just liven up your spreads a little bit. And I like this because I feel like I did not go overboard with stickers. I kept it minimal, I think. I mean, minimal for me. And I left a lot of white space, and I love it like that. So don't be afraid to leave some white space. You don't have to fill up every single corner of your spread, even though sometimes I do. Okay? It just depends on my mood. This one is called Apples, Florals, and Doodles. This is for my patron Denise. And I drew some more boxes. I was kind of in a doodly mood this month, and so I drew all the boxes on this page. I started with these stickers from Live Love Posh Fruits and Florals sticker book. I love the pink and green, so that sort of inspired me to use some pink and green washi tape and also, draw the pink and green boxes. So you can see I did something similar on Ashley's spread where I took like these little word stickers. I believe these were from the Tim Holtz word sticker book. And yeah, I love how it turned out. I think it's really cute. One thing I want to mention is I'm not going to list every single thing that I used for all of these spreads in the description box because all those links would take me forever. I used to do that and it took so long. So all I'm asking is that if you get inspired by one of these spreads and you really like it and you want to use those sticker books, I do have generalized links for the different shops down below that I would appreciate if you'd use if you're inspired by something I've done. That would be a big help to me and it supports my channel. Live Love Posh, you can always get 10% off with code BUMBLE10. This one is for Alex. She's on Team Bumble and she asked for a Valentine spread. I love this one. I think this one turned out so cute. I combined the mail call sticker book with I Love Stickers. Yeah. Mail call, I Love Stickers, and then the old Valentine sticker book from Happy Planner, I think. I think those are the three that I used. I love the pink lines I put in here because it's kind of delicate. Anyway, this is a video coming up, or you might have already seen it. I don't know what order I'm going to be posting them in, but this is a video. I call it Love Letters. This one is Stephanie. I call it Greenhouse Vibes. I used some of my own stickers that Archer and Olive sold, but they're enlarged for these boxes. And then I put in like extra boxes, and these are from Archer and Olive, these leaves. And then these, I believe I got on Temu in like a little pack of stickers. They're like washi stickers. I think they're so fun. I love to throw in photos once in a while, like photo stickers, just for fun. So I hope Stephanie likes it. This one's for Sherry, and this is also a big happy planner. I call it Cozy and Warm. These stickers are from the new Hello Winter sticker book from 𝘏𝘗 𝘈𝘮𝘣𝘢. I love the color combo with that like peachy pink color and then almost periwinkle. I think it's really cute, and I love the addition of the washi tape in here. It feels cozy and warm. I don't know, what can I say? Like, it just feels nice. And I like how it's laid out. It feels very balanced. And this is the last big happy planner spread. This one is for Marisol, And Marisol's a mom, and so I decided to make her a mom spread. I call it Mom Life, and this was using the Apricot and Sage sticker book from Happy Planner. I think I used the large and the regular size sticker book. And then I took like the colors that were in the stickers and found some pens in those colors, and I drew these lines with little dashes and little polka dots and stuff like that. I just thought that was kind of fun. Like I said, I was in a doodly mood. And since it's undated, I put these at the top so that Marisol can write in the dates. So you can always like take circle stickers and cut them off at the top if you want something more fun than the dates that are on the page, or if you have an undated planner. All right, let's look at the classic size spreads now. This one is for Bev, and I call it Fancy Food. And Bev mentioned in her survey that she liked food and drink. I mean, don't we all? But she did mention it. So I made her a food spread, and I used the Happy and Hangry. Oh my gosh, why do I always say that? Happy and Hungry sticker book. I always say Happy and Hangry. Like I pull the sticker book out and I read it in my head as Happy and Hangry. Maybe I'm just hangry all the time. I don't know. So Bev got this fun spread, like hot stuff and the little coffee over there. I put the coffee on Monday for you, Bev. I don't know if you drink coffee, but you know coffee goes on Monday. Bev asks for a place to write in her dinners, so I did that. And yeah, I think it turned out really cute. There's a whole cast of characters on this page. I'm not going to name all the food, you guys. Bev, I want you to name all the food. You don't have to, but if you want to. Next up, we have a spread for Gretchen. I call this one Mood Lifter because who could look at this spread and be super sad? I mean, I guess you could, but also I think the color palette is so beautiful. There's something about like this lavender color mixed with like a bright yellow and a green. I don't know. It just appeals to me. I don't know about you, but maybe because the sticker book, All the Feels, is one of my favorite sticker books ever. And that's the sticker book I used for this spread. So it's a mood lifter for me, and I hope it is for you, Gretchen. I hope you enjoy it. This one is for Ellen. I call it Gentle Breeze, and I combined stickers from Live Love Posh purple, what's it called? Functional purple blooms. Oh my gosh. Live Love Posh has different sticker books with different colors. Like each sticker book is a color. So I used stickers from the pink one and the purple one. Because Ellen said that some of her favorite colors are pink and purple. So I mixed them, and I love how it looks. I think it's fun. I also used some plaid washi tape, and that's a good way to just make the spread a little more interesting, because I felt like as I was putting down the boxes that it looked boring in the middle. So jazz it up with some washi. It always helps. This spread is for Megan. Was this a video? I guess it wasn't. Megan is a member of Team Bumble, and she asked for a spread for the 19th to the 25th of February, but she said, do whatever you want. So I gave Megan some wildlife, and I didn't name any of these. Why didn't I name them for you, Megan? I'm going to do it now, if Bumble lets me keep filming. She is Rami, of course, because that's her MO lately, the past month or so. Yeah. No, Bumble, we're not going to play. This is Bambi because obvious reasons, right? That's Bambi. And this one is, I'm going to call this one Thumper, even though I do realize that Thumper is a bunny, but we're calling that Thumper anyway because, you know, it's a Bambi theme. We could do like Disney character themes. Let's call this one Dumbo. Dumbo. And this one's Jiminy Cricket. Yeah. Jiminy C. And then, I don't know how my brain works, you guys. Very strange. Okay, but this one is Mickey. And then up here is Pluto because, you know, he's looking at the sky where Pluto is. I think that's all of them, right? Did I name them all? Yes. Okay, so I call it Howling at Winter Moon. I used these wolf stickers from Arch and Olive and then these mountain stickers from Castetic Plans. Along with these, and then some boxes in those colors. I love this one so much. I love this color palette. In fact, I love it so much. I loved it so much that I did something similar in my own planner or in my journal, and you're going to see that video coming up, or maybe you probably already saw it. But yeah, I just love this color palette and this theme. So I hope Megan does too. This one is a video. It is for Allie, and Allie asked for a self-love spread for February. I decided to leave it undated for her because she didn't specify a week, and I call it Love Yourself. Like I said, there is a video on this. I used Wrong Self-Care. Wait, what did I didn't write it down. But I used the two Wrong sticker books, the Self-Love, I think, and the Midnights. Yeah, and those clouds are everything. I just love those clouds. So I gave them to you, Allie. I really wanted to use the clouds for myself again, but I gave them to you. I don't have very many left. We have some plaid washi tape. I don't know. I think this one turned out really pretty, and I know that one of Allie's favorite colors is purple, so it made sense. This spread is for Bobby. Bobby asked for a spread using the sticker book Love for Letters. So, and she said she uses a classic happy planner, but she said do any layout. So I decided to challenge Bobby this month by giving her a horizontal layout because I am challenged by horizontal layouts, writing in them and decorating them. So this was fun for me for something different. And that sticker book, the color palette is so pretty. And I hope, Bobby, I hope that you can practice your lettering in here a little bit. I know there's not a lot of room, but do a little lettering practice in your planner for that week. I left it undated for you because she did not specify dates. This one is for Jennifer. I call it Ice Ice Baby. This actually was a video a while back and I had sort of saved it. I forgot about it last month, so I'm giving it to you this month, Jennifer. It is still winter after all, so I hope that you like it. I love this one. This one is for Donna. I call it Gentle Story. I used the Color Story Florals sticker book, which I never use. Like, I forgot it existed. And I like this neutral florals kind of vibe. It just is something a little bit different. I like to vary their spreads. So it's like maybe 1 month they'll get bright colors and then the next month they might get neutrals or pastels. So I don't think Donna got a neutral one last month, so I decided to do this for her. So I really like that one. And we have another dashboard layout for Lara, and I used the Planything Houses and Trees 2 sticker book for this, combined with the, what was this? The Colorful Boxes sticker book. I don't love how these turned out all funky, so Lara, I'm sorry if that bugs you. You can move them, but the way the words are for the weekdays, like they're not lined up. I wish they were lined up. I don't know why they're not. Maybe they changed that in the new dashboard layout ones, but for some reason this is annoying to me and you can't like cover it up with stickers the right way. So I had to like do it. But hope you don't mind, Lara. I call this Small Town Harmony. And I love the Houses and Trees sticker books by Planything. They're so fun. I just love creating little towns in my planner. You know what I mean? It's just a fun thing to do sometimes. Last but not least, we have a spread for Ellen, the other Ellen. I call it Green and Teal Motivation. And I used another sticker book that I forget about sometimes, and that is the new rainbow sticker book that came out last year. I almost did a rainbow spread, but I decided to stick to 2 colors, and I thought these 2 colors looked really cool together. So I made like a dual color spread. I think it's motivating. I think it's fun. I hope that Ellen likes it. I like it. So that is everything. Wait, we have to vote. Are you ready? I'm going to show you the spreads. You vote on your favorite. If there's a favorite that just sticks out to you, like that is the absolute favorite, 100%, then you say that one, okay, in the comments. If you can't decide, if you're like, I really like this one, but maybe this one, then do your top 3. I love to read those because it really gives me an indication of, first of all, do you like the same things I like? Like, are your favorites my favorites? Maybe I will tell you my favorite this month. I have to look at them again myself. I'm going to tell you my favorite. I'm not going to tell you my top 3. I'm going to tell you my very favorite this month, okay? I'm going to try. I never do this because I don't want the patrons to feel bad if my favorite is not like their spread, but I don't have to tell you my least favorite. I just have to tell you my favorite. So I'm going to do it too. I'm going to try. Okay. So I'm going to show you each one and we're all going to vote together. Okay. Okay. Green and Teal Motivation, Small Town Harmony, Gentle Story, Ice Ice Baby, Love for Letters, Love Yourself, Howling at Winter Moon, Gentle Breeze, Mood Lifter, Fancy Food, Mom Life, Cozy and Warm, Greenhouse Vibes, Love Letters, Apples, Florals, and Doodles, and Happy and Beautiful. Okay, it was really hard for me to decide. My favorite one is this one. Maybe that's why I showed it to you first. I don't always do that, but I guess subliminally in my subconscious, maybe I do. I don't know. I just love this. I love these simple boxes. Feels very simple, but also very fun. Like this is totally my jam. So Ashley, you got my favorite spread this month. That is that. I hope you like seeing these spreads that I make every month as much as I like making them. And don't forget, my Patreon is about so much more than just custom spreads. We have live streams, we have Zoom calls, we have exclusive videos, we have giveaways and like early videos and tips and tricks and pets and all that jazz over there. So you can check that out at Planning with Bumble. No, not that. You can check that out at patreon.com/planningwithbumble. And the link is always in the description box. Thank you if you're still here. Love you guys. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.